or welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha. So before starting with this video, I'm gonna actually get through the target of the previous video. So I forgot to mention the target of the previous video, whereas I mentioned in the description box below. The target of the previous video is more than 100 views and more than 15 likes. We have crossed the views target, but we're still left with 2 likes. So if you haven't liked that video, go check that video out in the description box below. So this week's video is going to be a routine based video. Actually, I got it as in subscribers request. I also love to watch these kind of videos before you actually get to know how you need to style yourself according to your daily basis, right? So I thought, why not start with makeup, because I haven't framed a makeup related video so far. So in this I have shown you guys my 5 product YouTube makeup routine using only drugstore products. I made sure that I'm going to use only drugstore products. This is going to be for beginners, as far as I am also a beginner, so it's going to fit through. And yeah, before starting with this video, it's a humble request that if you like my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and click on that little bell to get notified each and every time I post a YouTube video. So let's quickly dive into the video.
So I've started by using a foundation. A foundation is necessary to make the base of your makeup. I have used the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade 120. I have made sure that I blend it really very well. I use my hands to blend the foundation, but you can even use a good sort of sponge. I always apply my foundation in dots so that it could be blended at all the portions with my fingertips. It is not necessary for you to actually apply the foundation. You can even use the CC cream. It provides a minimal coverage and looks really very nice for a college look. Since I had to be prone to a lot of light during my YouTube video, I just eventually used foundation. And yeah, I am be looking to the other side for most of the time, so please ignore that. Actually, my mirror is on the other side, so I am blending while looking onto that side, but the most of the blending is absolutely done. See, just remember, don't forget to actually blend the foundation on your neck, because it's very important that the color of your neck and your skin tone of your face is absolutely same. Otherwise it looks like a clown, as if you have applied powder. So make sure that each and everything is blended really very well. I just massage all over my face for about 3 to 4 times after I'm actually satisfied with what I've done. After that, I am taking one more pump of foundation. As you can see, this pump is for applying it under the corners of my eyes. It's very important to apply the foundation under your eyes and the corners of your eyes. The rest of the foundation, I've actually applied it on the areas where I felt like the foundation is not eventually blended, or there was more foundation required over there. As you can see, I am blending the foundation under my eyes. It's very important to do that. I personally do not believe in using concealer, and since I had to use only 5 products for this video, I cannot just waste one of the product for just applying it under the eyes. So it's a quick hack. If you don't have a concealer, you could actually use a foundation under your eyes. So the next product that I'm gonna use is definitely gonna be a compact, but before we move towards that, this is the CC cream that I use as an alternative to the foundation. It is the Lakme 925 CC cream in the shade beige. Next product is compact. I use Maybelline's compact. It's absolutely amazing. It provides a lot of coverage as far as drugstore is concerned. You just have to dab this all over your face. It would provide a kind of setup for your base. So I just make my base by using these two products, that is of course the compact and the foundation. And after I'm done with actually dabbing the whole compact powder all over my face, I feel very refreshed and I'm very satisfied with my makeup. Then only I move towards the other products that I had to use. And yeah, as far as I've applied the compact powder all over my face and I'm satisfied with the base, then only I'll move to the next product. So the next product that I'm going to use is definitely going to be a highlighter. I'm using Maybelline's Master Chrome Highlighter by Face Studio. Yeah, so I'm gonna apply the highlighter by using a brush. You could even use your fingertips for applying it. I've just used a brush because I had it, but in case you don't have a proper brush for applying the highlighter, you could even use your fingertips because there is no special effect by using the brush. The only disadvantage of this highlighter is that it takes a lot of time to actually show its effect, but since we had to take in consideration that it is a drugstore product, so it has done a lot more good work as far as drugstore is concerned, and this is the best drugstore highlighter that I've ever bought. Make sure that you are applying the highlighter on all the corners of your face. I've applied it really very well, and as far as I'm satisfied by applying the highlighter, all that I need to do is apply it on the corners of my eyes. So it's very important to apply the highlighter on the corners of my eye. For that I'm going to use a thin applicator, to be very honest, because obviously a thick brush could not do the work very finely. So I'm going to use a thin applicator and just dab it in the highlighter and apply it on the corners of my eye. And yeah, after I apply the highlighter, you can see the entire effect of the highlighter. The next thing is obviously going to be a good sort of eyeliner. Here I've used two eyeliners. One is by Nykaa and the second one is by Lakme, their Insta Liner. I've already applied the eyeliner and you can see the effect of the eyeliner. After that, the last product is there to go, and that is definitely going to be a good sort of lip shade. I have used Nykaa's Khoobsurat lip shade. And yeah, this is the entire effect of the makeup look that I've done. This makeup look is super duper easy for your YouTube routine. And yeah, at the last, the only thing that is left to do is brushing your eyebrows. It is very important, as far as you can see in the beginning of the video, I accidentally actually dabbed a drop of foundation on my eyebrows, so you need to rinse that off properly.
I hope you guys really found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Link to all the products would be in the description box below. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.